Word problems as mathematical phrases. Algebra is very useful in solving mathematical word problems. A mathematical word problem is a problem in verbal terms that needs a mathematical solution. The solution is to rewrite the words as a mathematical problem using numbers and mathematical symbols. Let's look at a few examples. If we have 10 more than the number y, we know that the words more than mean to add. We have 10 more than the number y. Remember, in algebra, the y is a variable which stands for a number. So 10 more than the number y is written 10 plus y. The product of 6 and x. The word product means to multiply. Remember, when we have a number and a variable, we do not need to use a multiplication symbol. So we can just write 6x, showing 6 times x. Because product is the answer in a multiplication problem, the product of 6 and x is 6x. The difference of 25 and p. The word difference means to subtract. I have 25 and I have a number p. 25 minus p. That shows me the difference between the two numbers. Half of x plus 8. I need half of x. If I need half of something, I can divide it by 2, splitting it in half. Plus 8 means to add 8. So half of x plus 8 is written algebraically as x over 2 plus 8. The last example is a tricky one. It says 10 less than the product of 7 and z. Now we know less than is going to mean to subtract, and product means to multiply. So let's start with the multiply first. The product of 7 and z would be written 7z. We know that because product means multiply. When we have a number and a letter, we don't need to show that multiplication symbol. I want 10 less than this. Even though that 10 is written first, we have to think logically what that means. If I want 10 less than this, then I have to subtract 10 from it, and the minus 10 goes at the end. So 10 less than the product of 7 and z. Here's our product of 7 and z. This is 10 less than that. So we write 7z minus 10.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.